We love because He first loved us. Amen po ba? So, tignan niya, if I love God, I should obey Him. If I obey Him, it is because I love Him. If I don't love God, if I love God and I don't obey Him, that is not a genuine love. Peke yun. You obey Him, why? It is because you love Him. Kaya makakasunod ka sa Kanya na kahit hindi niya ipilit, na kahit hindi ka niya paalalahanan, susundin mo nang hindi labag sa loob mo. Bakit? Mahal mo nga siya. Amen mo ba? Ito yung mga kapatid, sakit na maraming Christians these days. They think, they treat, tinatrap nila ang ministry as a job. Huwag niyong itrato yung ministry as a job. Huwag niyong itrato yung Christianity as a religion. You don't go to church because of the religion. You don't go to church because ito yung nakasanayan, nakalakihan mo. We do this because we fear Him. We love Him. We want to obey Him. Amen? Hindi dahil ito ay sinabi, dahil in-invite ka ng pastor, pinilit ka ng ganito, dahil may birthday, dahil may kainan after service, no? We do this because we love Him. And those who love Him will obey Him. Those who love Him will fear Him. And those who obey Him will love Him and will fear Him. Amen? Pwede ba natin palakpakan ng Diyos muli?